How to assemble a slatted Ottoman bed you purchased from Bedzone or Pascal Beds. Step 1. Identify the parts. A single bed has 6 parts, and all other beds have 7 parts. You should have a headboard, 1 footboard, 1 middle bar, 1 kit box, 2 side panels, floor lids, and a slatted frame. Start by opening the packaging for all the parts. The kit box should include these parts. Step 2. Attach the mechanism to the side. Lay out your side panels flat like this. Now unscrew all the pre-attached bolts to the side panels. Align the mechanism with the side panel as shown in this video. You need to attach the 4 bolts you unscrewed earlier. Tighten these bolts fully using a power drill or a spanner. You need to repeat the same process with the other side panel. Step 3. Attach side panels to the headboard. Unscrew the pre-attached nuts on the headboard and slide the side panels onto the bolts. Now, attach the nuts you took off earlier, but do not fully tighten the nuts. Step 4. Slide the floorboards into place. Simply slide in both floorboards one at a time from the foot end to the headboard end. We intentionally leave a gap between the boards to allow proper airflow to your mattress. Step 5. Attach the footboard. Start by loosening the pre-attached nuts on the footboard. Do not unscrew the nuts off completely. Now proceed to lift the side panels, one at a time, and slide the footboard into the side panel hinges. Please do not fully tighten the nuts on the footboard. Only use your hands to tighten these for now. Your bed should look like this. Step 6. Attach the metal middle support bar. Identify the points where you need to attach the middle bar. Again, you will need the same bolts we took off earlier to complete this step. Place the metal bar onto the pre-drilled holes and simply attach the bolts. Now, proceed to tighten the bolts on both middle bar ends fully. Also, fully tighten all the headboard and footboard nuts. Step 7. Attach gas lift pistons. Start by opening the bag, which includes the nuts and bolts. You will need these 4 nuts for the next step. If the gas lift pistons are slightly twisted, you can use one of the bolts to straighten it like this. Place the pistons onto the mechanism as shown in this shot and attach their nuts. You need to do the same on the other side and then fully tighten the nuts. Step 8. Attach the slatted frame. Open and unfold the slatted frame and place it onto the bed, as shown in this shot. You will need 4 of these bolts and nuts. You will also need these 2 U-clips. Place the U-clips onto the slatted frame's folding part and slide the bolts into the pre-drilled holes. Now, proceed to attach the nuts to the other side of the bolts. You need to repeat the same process on both ends of the slatted frame. Now fully tighten these bolts. We will now attach the mattress stopper to the frame. Grab the mattress stopper and unscrew the nuts, as shown in this shot. Now simply slide the mattress stopper into the pre-drilled holes. Next, directly attach the nuts to the bolts on the other side and fully tighten them. Now, proceed to take out these bolts and nuts from the bag. Place the slatted frame onto the mechanism as shown in this shot, where the mattress stopper is closer to the headboard part of the bed. Start by attaching the bolts to the higher end of the mechanism, then attach the nuts to the bolts. Do the same with the rest of the holes where the frame lines up with the mechanism holes. Now go ahead and tighten all the bolts. Finally, you need to attach the strap provided at the end part of the frame. This strap will help you open and close your Ottoman frame. Proceed to open and close your Ottoman frame. It will take some extra force for you to close the Ottoman frame without the mattress. Your brand new bed frame from Bedzone or Pascal Beds is now fully assembled and ready to be used. Remember, the gap left in the floor lids is intentional. This provides proper airflow to your mattress. Thank you for choosing Bedzone and Pascal Beds. Please send us a picture of your bed by replying to the dispatch email if possible.